Hello guys, I have made an app which will generate AI images, and then you can save that AI generated image in your local gallery in both Android and iOS. So I'll go through step by step of how I did it, as well as I'll showcase how you can do it as well. So let's say I go to the screen, and then for an example, tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi, so I'm going to enter Ganesh, Hindu god, and then I will click on generate image. So what would happen is an AI image would be generated here. So and it looks good. Now what I can do is I can click on save image, and then that image will be saved in the gallery. So I'll go here, and then I'll go to gallery photos. You can see the image is generated here. You can send it to your friends in WhatsApp, etc., and then wish them happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Same way, if I want to regenerate an image, I can go here, and then let's say in 1 month we have Diwali, and then by the end of the year we have Christmas. So I'm going to enter Christmas Santa, and then I can also generate that image, and I can save it to my gallery as well. So what I'm doing here, so this whole app is powered with the React navigation, where this is a stack screen, and I move to the next screen, and then I have a text input where I generate the image. So when the input is prompt is given, let's say I write it as Diwali, and then when I click on generate image, I would send a API call to server hosted in Replicate, which is powered by Flux, right? And then the image will be generated with a post call, and then we have to check if the image is generated with a get request, and then if the status is set to active, the image will be generated here or will be showcased here. So let's say I tap on Diwali and click on generate, the image will be generated, right? And then I showcase this image with the help of a library called Fast Image. But to support the latest architecture, we have to use a different library called Turbo Image, which uses Nuke and Coil in the respective operating systems. Those allow superior caching for your images for faster user experience. Now for the save image, what I have to do is what I did was I used a library called React Native Blob Util, where I get the remotely generated image, and then I used camera roll library to save the image to the camera roll, which is the our photos library. If I tap on save image, I first grab the image, and then I convert it to a local temporary file, and then use camera roll to save it in the photo. So if I go here, you can see the image would be saved there. And then in the image library, you can also delete it, etc., or share it with your friends, right? So that's it. Do let me know how it looks.